I would like also to congratulate FAO for the reports discussed at the senior official meeting, in particular the progress that has been achieved in Asia and the Pacific. This provides good policy consideration for us at the country level and collectively at the regional level to respond and act towards achieving 2030 agenda and the sustainable development goals. The identification of 5 regional initiatives as the priority areas of work 2018-2019 is appropriate as they reflect the ongoing challenges in the region. Malaysia provides its full support to FAO in implementing these priority areas. We also look forward to working together with FAO in our national implementation of these initiatives. As such, Malaysia has identified 4 priorities. The first priority is to further align national policy framework with 2030 agenda and the SDGs. In Malaysia, National Food Policy 2011-2020 guides our policy decisions on agriculture and food sector. The objective of this policy are to ensure food security and safety, to develop the agro-food industry to be competitive and sustainable, and to increase the income of agriculture entrepreneurs. These are aligned with the objective of the FAO. Since the term for this policy will end in 2020, Malaysia will embark on the process on formulating the new policy soon. We see the opportunity to work with FAO to provide advice and guidance on the alignment as well as the effective reporting of SDGs. Our second priority is to address knowledge gaps in climate change adaptation and mitigation. Climate change continues to become a significant risk to food security and agriculture system in Malaysia and the region. Knowledge gaps seems to be within the country for drawing conclusions on climate change effects. Hence, we hope FAO could assist us by supporting us to plan, finance and implement national priority actions to address climate change risks to agriculture and food security using FAO climate change strategy, the 2018-2019 biennial theme on climate change and the regional initiative on climate change. Our third priority is to strengthen agriculture data and statistics to support evidence-based decision-making. The importance of data and statistics could not be emphasized enough as it provides sound basis for our policy decisions that have impact to agriculture stakeholders. Malaysia hopes to strengthen its agriculture data and statistical systems to better plan and distribute its limited resources to support its agriculture and food systems, as well as to better plan to adapt and mitigate climate change. Therefore, the Regional Action Programme for Global Strategy should continue to be supported by FAO so that countries in the region would be supported by strong data system in shaping its policy direction. And finally, the fourth priority is to develop nutrition-sensitive food system. The increase of childhood obesity as well as stunting, high prevalence of non-communicable diseases among adults and lack of active lifestyle continue to pose challenge to achieving optimum nutrition status in the country. Thus, while food production will continue to be our main agenda to ensure food security and the livelihood of rural people, consideration on nutrition must be given equal attention. We must underscore the importance of nutrition in enhancing population's health and preventing diet-related diseases. While Malaysia will continue to support this agenda through the implementation of National Plan of Action for Nutrition of Malaysia 2016 to 2025, we hope that FAO's experience can strengthen this implementation. Thank you, Vinaka Wakalevu.